getting ready in my mom's garden. I thought it would be nice to sit outside and get some fresh air, just switch it up a bit. After priming my face and eyes, I'm using Bite Beauty's Changemaker foundation. It's super lightweight and has been one of my favorites this year. I have some post-breakout dark spots, so I'm using this concealer for extra coverage. You'll want to be careful with this one though, because if you apply too much, it can start to look cakey. Now I'm just doing a light powder set. I'm using Anastasia's Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony to fill in my brows. I tried to go for a more natural look today, and using a spoolie really helps with that. Now it's time for Missha's Glitter Prism Liquid Shadows. These are really beautiful, and thank you so much to Missha for sponsoring this video. I'm first starting off with Lace Shirring, which is a shimmery peachy pink shade, and just applying that all over the lids as a base. These are really easy to use. You can use your fingers to apply the product or a brush to blend it out. It's also really buildable, so you can pack on another layer when it's dry. Next, I'm going to take this light brown shade and add a small wing to the outer corners, and then blending it upwards to diffuse the color. You can also use a contour shade. I've seen this done on a lot of models with monolids, and I think it really enhances their features. Next, I'm taking a darker brown shade and doing the same thing. This is just going to help add some depth and smokiness to the look. Now back to the Glitter Prism Liquid Shadows. I'm taking the shade Fairy Beads, which is a glittery gold, and applying that to the front half of the lids with my fingers. I'm obsessed with this product because the glitters are amazing and not too heavy. I didn't experience any fallout, and they stay in place for the entire day. I'm also going to do a layer of Dragon Fantasy to add some pink glitters to the look. I've been loving curling my lashes and applying mascara again, so here's my little routine for that. I typically use the triple squeeze rule, where you curl at the base of your lashes, the center of your lashes, and then towards the tip, and I just do that a few times. I'll also link some helpful videos I've watched down below. Then I like to use a lash primer, making sure I coat every single one of my lashes. This has microfibers that add some extra length and thickness to your lashes. I also really love the wand on this. I don't usually apply mascara on my bottom lashes because it tends to get caught with my top ones, and it gets really ticklish throughout the day, and I just want to feel comfortable in my makeup. But you can totally add mascara to your bottom lashes if you want to. I follow that up with a black mascara. I'm using this one from Laura Mercier. The wand on this one is really big, so it's a bit tricky to use. You can hold a small sheet of paper behind your lashes to help you get each lash strand. Now I'm going to tightline. Usually I'd go for a brown or black liner here, but I only have this purpley plumberry shade with me. For contour and highlight, I'm going to use this palette from Charlotte Tilbury. For blush, I'm using Heaven's Glow from M Cosmetics. It's my perfect everyday shade. As for lip color, I'm using Birthday Suit from the Revlon Wonder Woman collection. I love how glossy and pigmented it is. I also added a couple braid strands in my hair, and that finishes off the look.